In this quick Livestorm guide, I'm going to show you how to set up Livestorm for international webinars in a way that's easy to understand, even if you're brand new to the platform. If you're looking to host webinars for a global audience, you're in the right place. Livestorm is a powerful tool that makes international webinars seamless, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up for success. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to check out the first link below for a special offer. You can use Livestorm completely for free, along with some exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Don't miss out on that. Okay, let's jump into it. First things first, after you create your Livestorm account, you'll want to access the dashboard. Livestorm's interface is pretty intuitive, so don't worry if you're unfamiliar with it. The dashboard is where all your webinars live, and setting up a new one is quick. Just click Create Event, and you'll be taken to the event creation page. From there, select Webinar as the type of event. When you're setting up for an international audience, one of the first things to consider is time zones. Livestorm makes this really easy, because you can set the event time in your local time zone, and it will automatically adjust to your attendees' time zones based on their location. This is crucial when you're dealing with an international audience to make sure no one misses out due to time conflicts. Next, let's talk about multilingual support. Livestorm supports multiple languages, so you can localize the event details, registration page, and even emails. This is a huge plus when hosting international webinars, as it ensures you're reaching people in a language they understand. You'll find the language settings in the event settings section. Moving on to your event page, Livestorm allows you to customize your registration page, making it look professional and on brand. You can also add any specific instructions or disclaimers, especially if you're dealing with international audiences who may have different rules or expectations. Setting up a branded registration page is simple. Just upload your logo and tweak the colors to match your brand. For those who want to take their international webinar game up a notch, let's talk about integrations. Livestorm integrates with a ton of tools, like your CRM, email marketing software, and even social media platforms. This is useful when you're managing large international audiences and need to track registrations, send follow-up emails, or promote your webinar to specific countries. You can easily sync your registrants and send reminders or thank you emails in their preferred language. Now, one feature I highly recommend for international webinars is the simulcast feature. This allows you to stream your webinar across multiple platforms at the same time, such as YouTube or Facebook Live, ensuring that your global audience can tune in regardless of where they are. Once your webinar is set up, you'll want to ensure the best quality audio and video for your international attendees. Livestorm's built-in video settings are top-notch, but keep in mind that international internet speeds can vary. To avoid lag or other technical issues, make sure you have a strong connection and consider running tests in advance to guarantee a smooth experience. Lastly, let's talk about analytics. Livestorm provides robust analytics that will help you understand how well your international webinar performed. You can see attendance rates, engagement levels, and even specific data on which countries had the highest participation. This is invaluable for refining future webinars and making sure you're catering to your global audience effectively. Before we wrap up, remember that you can access Livestorm completely for free through the link in the description. You're getting an exclusive extended trial with no commitments, so don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your international webinars. With Livestorm, setting up international webinars is straightforward and efficient. You'll be able to engage audiences from all over the world with ease, thanks to the multilingual features, global time zone support, and integrations. Give it a try today and see how it can elevate your webinar game. Make sure to grab your extended free trial and start creating your first international webinar today. Thanks for watching.